We've been fortunate enough to collaborate with Swanson in the past. This time it was that and then some. It was virtual production and bringing in Unreal Engine and applying, camera robots with VR trackers and how we could get humans to interact with that.
We were able to demonstrate our technology to a wide variety of different individuals that could mess with a robot who's never touched one before. Seeing their faces as they are controlling a robot with a VR tracker that's moving a camera in a virtual world was an incredibly special moment.
It was really cool to see something that I once had a vision and an idea about come to life, and seeing other people enjoy it. I mean, that's a huge reason why I got into the industry of UX, wanting people to feel good with an experience as a user.
Sometimes technology can seem far away when you don't get to tangibly interact with it, and so this was an opportunity for folks to really dive into it.